This video will cover the important topic of watering fresh seed. The seed we use at Greensleeves is one of, if not the best in the industry. It's used all over the country on some of the most prestigious lawns and sports venues around. Therefore, we know we're using the best the industry has to offer. The seed will germinate and grow relatively quickly if it's watered correctly. So, how should it be watered correctly? We advise keeping the soil damp for the first 2 weeks by watering for at least an hour a day. You need to give the soil a good soaking rather than a little sprinkle on top. A sprinkler would be the best method. So how do I care for it correctly? We will apply the seed after scarifying or aerating to ensure the seed is in contact with the soil in your lawn. To be successful, the germination process requires the seed to be able to access moisture at all times. Therefore, we advise to keep the soil damp for the first 2 weeks. The idea is to maintain dampness in the soil throughout this time. A sprinkler is the best method, but how long you need to use it for depends on many factors, including the temperatures, how windy it is, and the soil type on your particular lawn. If the soil is allowed to dry out and the seed is not able to access moisture, then the germination process will stop and your newly applied seed will fail. We cannot stress enough how important it is to maintain a damp soil. Here's a test we carried out to demonstrate. These pictures show what we did. We tested 3 different seeds. The pots at the front were sown with the exact same seed as the pots at the back, except for one major difference. The pots at the front we added water regularly, whereas the pots at the back relied solely on rainwater. The results show a major difference between adding water and not adding water. One grows and the other does nothing. If you're taking the positive steps to improve your lawn, then it's pretty important you go the whole way by applying the water required to ensure germination is successful. Otherwise, you could have wasted time and money. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.